In the mood for a crunchy, juicy chicken cutlet but not in the mood for frying? Well, let's remove the guilt and make a chatpat fatafat chicken cutlet in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select Airfry mode followed by chicken preset. We'll preheat this at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and press start. In a bowl, combine the chicken mince, fresh bread crumbs, Degi red chilli powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, green chillies, ginger garlic paste, and grated boiled potato. Now add the egg white, jeera powder, chopped dhania leaves, salt to taste, mustard oil, and give it a good mix. Divide this mixture into lemon-sized portions and shape as desired. Roll each cutlet in the breadcrumbs and make sure to coat evenly on all sides. And cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until light golden. Place the prepared cutlets on the air frying rack. Or don't forget to flip it in between after 10 minutes and brush it with some light oil. Once it's done, transfer to the serving dish and serve hot with tomato ketchup. Snack time ho ya chai time, this chicken cutlet will always be a winner and wo bhi guilt-free. Made with the new Philips OneChef, it's all you need.